I used aluminum wire mesh and shaped it like a rotten log. Place pieces of lightweight brick as a stone frame. Make a mixture of cement and calcium carbonate with a ratio of 1:1, add not too much water, so that the mixture resembles clay. Cover all surfaces of the frame with cement mixture. After this process is complete, leave it for 24 hours for the cement layer to dry. Before starting the next process, always with the cement mixture that has dried, spray or pour water until it is soaked, so that the next layer of cement does not dry out quickly and crack. Place a small hose as a path for the water to rise from the pump, then cover the inner surface with cement mixture evenly so that the water does not leak later. After this process is complete, leave it for 24 hours for the cement layer to dry. Reuse the aluminum wire mesh as the top cover frame, and reuse the cement mixture to cover the surface of the frame. Use a mixture of cement and calcium carbonate in a 1:1 ratio to create weathered wood details. When the cement is half dry, use a small wire brush to form a wood grain pattern. Use a dry brush to clean off any cement crumbs. Use a small knife or palette knife to create cracked shapes in the weathered wood. Now we enter the painting stage. For the base I use black acrylic wall paint, brush it evenly over the entire surface of the pot. For the second layer of painting, use brown, place the paint on a flat surface, spread the paint thinly on the surface, then start brushing in one direction on the surface of the pot. Do this repeatedly until the desired color thickness is achieved. For the last layer, I mixed white paint into the brown paint, creating a light brown color. Use the same technique, brushing in one direction over the surface of the pot, until the desired color thickness is achieved. Use a 9-volt mini water pump, then connect the end of the pump to the hose at the bottom. Pour enough water until the pump is completely submerged. Add waterproof lights to enhance the fountain's appearance in the dark. A beautiful table fountain is ready to beautify the appearance of your room and provide a relaxing feel. See you in the next video, and have a nice day.